Hello and welcome to this video on how to increase your reading speed. Whether you're a student, a professional or just someone who wants to read more efficiently, improving your reading speed can be a valuable skill. In this video, we'll be discussing some effective techniques that you can use to increase your reading speed. 1. Identify your reading speed. The first step in improving your reading speed is to determine how fast you currently read. Take a timer and read a passage of text for 1 minute, then count the number of words you read. This will give you an idea of your current reading speed. 2. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can significantly slow down your reading speed. Find a quiet place to read, switch off your phone and close any unnecessary tabs on your computer. 3. Use a pointer. Using your finger, a pen or a bookmark to guide your eyes can help you read faster. As you move the pointer along the text, your eyes will naturally follow it, and you'll be able to read faster without losing your place. 4. Practice skimming. Skimming is a technique where you quickly read through a text to get the main idea. To practice skimming, start by reading the first and last sentence of each paragraph, then read the headings and subheadings. This will give you a quick overview of the text, and you can decide whether to read it more thoroughly or move on to something else. 5. Increase your vocabulary. Having a large vocabulary can help you read faster and more efficiently. The more words you know, the less time you'll spend looking up unfamiliar words, and the faster you'll be able to understand the text. 6. Avoid subvocalization. Subvocalization is the habit of silently pronouncing every word as you read it. This can significantly slow down your reading speed. Instead, try to focus on the meaning of the text and let your brain process it without having to pronounce every word. 7. Take breaks. Reading can be mentally tiring, and taking breaks can help you stay focused and improve your reading speed. Try taking a short break every 20 to 30 minutes to rest your eyes and refresh your mind. In conclusion, improving your reading speed takes time and practice. By using these techniques, you can increase your reading speed and read more efficiently. Remember to be patient with yourself and keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in no time. Thank you for watching.